Hello students, how are you all? Myself Sangeeta Jain, representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we will start chapter 6 Understanding Decimals of class 5 Math. Students, you already know about natural numbers, whole numbers. Set of whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, and set of natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. And you also know about fractions. Fractions के बारे में भी आप जानते हो कि if we return any number in p upon q form and q is not equals to 0, then we say this is the fraction. Understood? Now we have different types of fraction. One more type of fraction is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. Decimal fraction means if any fraction have 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 as a denominator, that time we say these are decimal fractions. Suppose we have 4 upon 10, 5 upon 100, कुछ भी हो सकता है न्यूमरेटर में, बट डिनोमिनेटर आपका 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 इसी तरह से होना चाहिए. सपोज 7 upon 1000, etc. Now students, this is the decimal fraction. These are decimal fractions. Now students, if we have whole part and decimal part, how we write this? Suppose we have 4 by 10. So 4 by 10 written as decimal 0.4. इट मीन्स क्या हुआ यहाँ पर कि जितनी जीरोस आपके पास में डिनोमिनेटर में है उतनी डिजिट राइट साइड से आप काउंट करके न्यूमरेटर की और डेसिमल पॉइंट प्लेस करोगे, इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू डेसिमल. सपोज वी हैव 4 by 10. दिस इज द होल पार्ट. तो होल पार्ट तो आपने एज इट इज लिखा है, बट यू कन्वर्ट 4 upon 10 in decimal. So how we write this? 0.4. 0.4 is equals to 4.4. Now when we write 4.4, it means in this is the whole part. ये क्या हो गया आपका whole part और integral part. And after decimal जो पार्ट होगा दैट इज डेसिमल पार्ट और फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट. फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? सपोज वी हैव 12.358. इन दिस 12 इज अ होल पार्ट. 12 is a whole part or integral part, and 358. Now we don't read as a 358. How we read this? 358. How we read this? 12.358. So this is the fractional or decimal part or decimal part. And how we write in words? हम इसको words में कैसे लिखेंगे? This is 12 point decimal भी आप इसको लिख सकते हो और point भी. You write 12.358. 358. Now students, suppose we have 1 upon 10. It means this is the 10th part. TENTHS, 10th part. Understood? Suppose we have 1 upon 100. It means that is 100th part. Suppose we have 1 upon 100. It means HUNDREDTHS, hundredths part. Suppose we have 1 upon 1000. It means this is thousands. THOUSANDTHS. This is thousandth part. Now how we write in place value chart? इनको हम place value chart में कैसे arrange करेंगे? Look, you already know place value chart. We already learn about Indian place value chart and international place value chart, but it is slightly different. Place value chart. This is thousands, THOUSANDTHS, and it represents 1 upon 1000. Now HUNDREDTHS, hundreds, 1 upon 100. Now tenths, TENTHS, 1 upon 10. Now put decimal. So represent in place value chart decimal like that. After that, in a whole part we have ones. As it is जो हमारे इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम में था, it represent unit place, and then tens, 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 it represent 10, then hundreds, 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 then thousands, 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 and then 10,000s. Thousands, THOUSANDS, thousands. This is 10,000s. This is the place value chart. Now how we write numbers or how we arrange numbers in place value chart? Look at here. Suppose we have number 135.024. So in this number we have 100. So this is hundreds. We write 1 at hundredth place. Now 3 at tens place. 135 है तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3 at tens place, then 1 at ones place, 5 at ones place, then we put decimal, then 0 at 10th place, then 2 is 100th place, and 4 is at 1000th place. Now students, look here, it represents hundreds, it represents tens, it represents ones, it represents tenth, TENTHS. Now it represents hundreds, HUNDREDTHS. ये डिफरेंस है इसमें, बिकॉज दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ हंड्रेड्स, 100 का पार्ट है, समझ में आया? नाउ दिस इज thousands, THOUSANDTHS. Now students, how we write this number in expanded form? आपको ये तो पता चल गया कि हाउ वी रीड दिस नंबर, दिस इज 135.024, 135.024. Now how we write in expanded form? So first we write their place values. Place values आप लिखोगे इनकी पहले. This is 4 is multiplied by 1 by 1000 is equals to 4 upon 1000. Now in the next, this is 2 is multiplied by 1 upon 100 because place of 2 is hundreds. So we multiply 2 by 1 upon 100. It is equals to 2 upon 100. Now place value is 0 is always 0 because 0 is multiplied by any number we get 0. So this is 1 upon 10, it is equals to 0. Now 5 is multiplied by 1 is equals to 5. Next is 3. 3 is multiplied by 10 is equals to 30 and 1 is multiplied by 100 is equals to 100. Now how we write expanded number? So when we write expanded form, we write place values with addition sign. इन place values को हम किसके साथ में लिखेंगे? Addition sign के साथ में. So this is 135. So we write 100 plus 30 plus 5 plus 0 plus 2 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. This is the expanded form of the number 135.024. Now students, how we no need to write 0, आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है 0. This is also correct. 100 plus 30 plus 5 plus 2 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. Now students, if we have expanded form, then how we write standard form or short form? आपके पास में expanded form है और उसको आपको short form में convert करना है. That time what we will do? You write number according to their place values. आप क्या करोगे? Expanded form में आपको place value के according numbers given होंगे. So you write only digits according to their place values. Suppose we have number exercise 6.1, question number 3, 10 plus 5, this is B part, 10 plus 5 plus 2 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100. How we write this number in short form? This is 10 plus 5, 15 and 2 is at 10th place. So we put decimal before decimal part and this is 2 and 7 at 100th place. So we write 7. So how we read this? 15.27. Now students, suppose we have number, question number 1, write the place value of the encircled digit. A part of this 31.025 and encircled digit is 3 and 2. आपको इसके place values बतानी है. So what is the place value of this number? This is 2 is multiplied by, this is 100th place. कौन सी place है आपकी? 100th place है. So you multiply by 1 upon 100. What is the number? 2 upon 100. And what is the place value of this number? 3 is multiplied by 10 is equals to 30. So these are the place values. Understood? Now students, if we have question number 4 of this exercise, 130.02, this is the B part. Show what is integral part and what is fractional part or decimal part. तो आपको इसमें डेसिमल और फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट बताना है. सो दिस इज द डेसिमल पार्ट. Decimal part means 02 is the decimal part, and what is fractional integral part? 130 is the integral part. Understood friends? Now like and unlike decimal students, decimal numbers which have equal number of digits after the decimal point. ठीक है, कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर है और उसमें नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स सेम है डेसिमल पार्ट में, दैट टाइम वी से दीज आर लाइक डेसिमल्स. सपोज वी हैव 63.04, 7.95, 21.26. in each and every number we have two number of digits after decimal. decimal के बाद में आपके पास में कितने digits हैं? 2 digits हैं. it means these are like decimal numbers. ये कौन से numbers हो गए? like decimal numbers. and suppose we have number of digits after decimal points are not equal, that time we say these are unlike decimal. Suppose we have 72.15, 8.024 and 196.3. In these numbers we have different number of digits in decimal parts, so these are unlike fraction, unlike decimals, unlike decimals, and these are like decimals. आपको ये समझ में आया है कि like decimals और unlike decimals में डिफरेंस क्या है? कि if we have same number of digits in decimal part, that time we say these are like fractions, and if we have different number of digits in decimal part, that time we say these are unlike decimals. Now how we convert unlike decimal into like decimals? Convert कैसे करोगे? Suppose we have we take one question from exercise 6.2, question number 1, C part. From exercise 6.2, question number 1, C part is 1.02, 2.348, 6.07, 21.186. आपके पास में होल पार्ट में कौन से नंबर्स हैं इससे कोई मतलब नहीं होता है कि ये लाइक है या अनलाइक है. आपको चेक क्या करना है? इनके डेसिमल पार्ट्स को. ठीक है, ऑल आर अनलाइक डेसिमल्स. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है कि फर्स्ट यू काउंट नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स इन डेसिमल पार्ट्स. वी हैव 2 digits, we have 3 digits, we have 2 digits and 3 digits. तो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स जितनी होती हैं आपके पास में उतनी ही डिजिट्स को कन्वर्ट करते हैं हम जो लेस देन मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स होती हैं. तो यहाँ पर देखो 2 नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स है तो हम इसको 3 डिजिट्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और इसको भी 3 डिजिट्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. अब कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे? इन डेसिमल पार्ट इफ वी पुट 0 at the rightmost side of the decimal part, then value remains the same. Suppose we have 07 और राइट साइड में मैं यहाँ पर 0 लगा दूंगी इसके एक्सट्रीम राइट पोजीशन पर, तो इसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती है. जैसे होल नंबर में होता है कि हम किसी भी नंबर के लेफ्ट साइड में 0 लगा देते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती है। सेम इसमें रिवर्स होता है कि हम राइट साइड में डेसिमल पार्ट के एक्सट्रीम राइट पोजीशन पर जीरोस पुट कर देते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती है। ठीक है, तो हाउ वी कन्वर्ट इनटू लाइक डेसिमल्स 1.020. Now we have 3 digits in this number. It's already have 3 digits and 6.07. We have 2 number of digits. So we put 0 at the rightmost side of the decimal part. Now it has 3 digits. Now 21.186 already have 3 digits. So all are now in like decimals. क्योंकि सभी में डेसिमल पार्ट में कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 3 डिजिट्स हैं. Understood? So how we convert into like unlike to like decimal? You understood now? Now friends, converting decimal fraction to decimal numbers. This is the next topic. How we convert decimal fraction to decimal numbers. आपके पास में डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस हैं. डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस मीन्स फ्रैक्शंस विच हैव डिनोमिनेटर एज 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. तो आप इनको डेसिमल नंबर्स में कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे? लुक फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 6.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1A पार्ट. सपोज वी हैव 15/100. ठीक है, तो आपको इस डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन को कन्वर्ट करना है डेसिमल नंबर में. सो यू पुट डेसिमल आफ्टर 2 डिजिट फ्रॉम द राइट साइड ऑफ द नंबर. कि न्यूमरेटर में जो नंबर है आप वहां पर 2 डिजिट्स को काउंट करोगे. यहां पर जितनी जीरोस होंगी, 10 में 1 0 है तो आप क्या करोगे? 1 डिजिट राइट साइड से काउंट करके डेसिमल पुट कर दोगे. 2 zeros हैं तो राइट साइड से 2 डिजिट्स को काउंट करके डेसिमल पुट कर दोगे. नाउ यू पुट डेसिमल आफ्टर 2 digits from the right side. So 1 and 2 digits we have and put 0 and in the whole part we write 0. Suppose we have 15/10. Now how we convert this number into a decimal number? We have 1 0 here. So from the right side we count 1 digit and put decimal after 5. So this is 1.5. Suppose we have 15/1000. How we convert in decimal numbers? We have 1, 2 and 3 zeros. So we count 3 digits but we have only 2 digits. So first we write 0 before 1. Or after that we count 1, 2 and 3 digits and we put decimal and in the whole part we put 0. Understood students? Suppose we have 308/1000. How we convert into decimal number? This is 1, 2 and 3 zeros in denominator. So we count 1, 2 and 3 digits. You write first 308, 1, 2 and 3 digit you put decimal before this and you put 0. Understood? This is the decimal number 0.308. Now students, converting decimal numbers to fraction. How we convert decimal number to fraction? Converting decimal numbers to fractions. Suppose we have 0.4 from exercise 6.3 question number 2. 0.4. How we convert? अब यहाँ पर इसका जो हमने पहले किया था उसका बिल्कुल रिवर्ट होगा. This is 4/10. because we have one digit after decimal. So 1 followed by 1 0. Now suppose we have 0.11. How we write? Because we have two digits, so you write decimal part as it is and you write in denominator 1 followed by 2 zeros, means 1 लिखा आपने और उसके बाद में 2 zeros आप लगा दोगे, because we have two digits in decimal. Suppose we have 7.264, I part of this. Now you write 7264, but we have 1, 2 and 3 digits after decimal, so you write 1000. Understood how we convert decimal number into fraction? Now students, how we compare decimal numbers? Decimal numbers को compare करने के लिए क्या करोगे? Which is greater and which is smaller. So first you compare integral part of the decimal numbers. Integral part means whole part of the decimal numbers. Comparison of decimal numbers. So in this, first you compare their integral parts. After that, if integral part are same, then we compare their decimal part. Exercise 6.4, question number 1. First we take one example, 33.15 and 33.8. First we compare their integral part. Integral part means whole part, both are same. Now we compare that 10th place. कौन सी place को compare करोगे आप? 10th place को. और उससे पहले आप क्या करोगे? First we convert into like decimal. Like decimal में convert करने के लिए क्या करोगे? 33.15 and 33.80. ठीक है? Now compare their integral part. Both are same. Now we compare their 10th place. This is 1 is less than 8. Now 33.15 is less than 33.80. If their 10th place is same, then we compare their 100th place. Same process we adopt to compare the numbers. Now we take one question from exercise 6.4. Arrange the following decimal numbers in ascending order. आपको ascending order में arrange करना है number को. Numbers are 16.34, 5.34, 29.34, 2.34 and 21.34. Students, first we convert into like fraction, but these numbers are in like decimal, these numbers are in like decimals. So we compare their integral part. Integral part compare करें. Now ascending order में आपको arrange करना है. You want to arrange in ascending order. Now we compare their integral part. In ascending order, we write first smaller, then greater, then greater, greater. So which is smaller? 2. So you write 2.34. After that 5.34. After that 16.34. After that 21.34 and after that 29.34. Means 2.34 is less than 5.34 is less than 16.34 is less than 29.34. This is the ascending order of the numbers. If we have unlike fraction, that time what we will do? We take one more question. B part of this. This is 8.062. Then 8.62, 8.006, 8.02 and 8.026. Now look here, we have 3 digits, 2 digits, 3, 2 and 3. So these are unlike fractions. So first we convert into like fraction by putting zeros in decimal part in the extreme right position. Now maximum number of digits are 3. So in 2 digit decimal numbers we put zeros to convert into like decimals. So this is 8.062, 8.620, 8.006, 8.020 and 8.206. Now these numbers are in like decimals. Now compare their integral part. Integral part को compare करोगे आप in the next step. 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8 all are same. Now we compare their decimal part. 10th place. 10th place is, we have 0 here, we have 6 here, 0, 0 and 2. Now students, आपको ascending order में arrange करना है. So smallest number comes first. Now zeros किस में है? इसमें है, इसमें है और इसमें है. These are greater numbers because we have 2 and 6 here. So we compare their 100th place. In 100th place we have 6 here, we have 0 here and we have 2 here. So what is the smallest number? 8.006 is the smallest one. So first we write 8.006 is less than. Now we compare these two numbers. So in the 100th place we have 2 and we have 6. Which is smaller? 8.020. Now next number is this 8.062. Now we compare these two numbers. In the 10th place we have 6 and 2. So which is greater? 8.206 and after that we write 8.620. Understood friends? How we compare numbers? कि कैसे कंपेयर करोगे? कि पहले आपने इसके इंटीग्रल पार्ट को कंपेयर किया. इंटीग्रल पार्ट इफ same, then we compare their decimal part from 10th place. If 10th place is same, then we compare their 100th place. If 100th place is same, then we compare 1000th place. Understood? And this is the required ascending order. This is required ascending order. Let us start. Book work students. Open page number 90, exercise 6.1. Question number 4. For the given decimal numbers, write the integral part and the decimal part. इस वाले क्वेश्चन में करना क्या है आपको कि डेसिमल नंबर्स गिवन है और आपको इंटीग्रल पार्ट और डेसिमल पार्ट को बताना है कि कौन सा होगा. नाउ लुक ए पार्ट ऑफ दिस 74.26. In this, what is fractional part and what is integral part means whole part, and that is 74, and fractional part or decimal part is 26. Now write an integral part. Below integral part you write 74, and in decimal part you write 26. Now in the D part we have 5.0028. In this, which is integral part? Integral part is 5 and decimal part is 0028. So write integral part is equals to 5 and decimal part is equals to 0028. Now students, in exercise 6.4, open page number 93, question number 3. Exercise 6.4, page number 93, question number 3. Put the correct sign greater than, less than or equals to. आपको कंपेयर करना है यहाँ पर कि which is greater, which is smaller and equals to. Now A part of this, you know how we compare the numbers. First we compare whole part or integral part, after that we compare decimal part. Now in first question we have 186.02 and 186.2. These two numbers are equal or not. Now first we compare their integral part, 186 and 186. Both are same. Now we compare 10th place. It is 2 and it is 0 and it is 2. Which is greater? 2 is greater. So 186.2 is greater. Students, जब भी आप कंपेयर करते हैं यू फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट इनटू लाइक फ्रैक्शन आल्सो. लाइक फ्रैक्शन के लिए क्या करते हैं, हम 0 पुट कर देते हैं राइट साइड में, एक्सट्रीम राइट में, डेसिमल पार्ट में. नाउ वी कंपेयर 0 एंड 2. 2 इज ग्रेटर, सो 186.20 इज ग्रेटर. नाउ इन F part 0.07 and 0.070, which is greater and which is smaller. Now students, look here. First we compare whole part, both are zeros. Now we compare decimal part. On 10th place we have 0 and 0. Now we compare 100th place. 100th place में क्या है, यहाँ पर 7 है और आपको पता है कि यदि हम यहाँ 0 पुट कर देते हैं to convert into like decimal. Now 0 and 0 both are equal. So you put here equal sign. Understood students? This is the these are the book exercise. Now you practice yourself at home. Thank you. Have a nice day students.